In this video, we will be seeing about cin, or how to take input from user in a C++ program. So cin is a standard input stream, or we can say for taking input from user, we use cin, which is an instance of iStream or input stream class in C++. So cin is instance of iStream class, and as in C++, the input and output operations happen in the form of streams. We use cout and cin as the instances of stream classes, ostream and istream classes respectively. So streams are nothing but sequence of bytes which will flow from main memory to output screen or output screen to main memory. So using cin, we can take the user input, which is typed by using a standard input device like keyboard or anything. So cin in C++ is used with extraction operator. So to take input from a user, it is always used with extraction operator, which is represented by two angular brackets, that is two closing angular brackets like this. So cin is used always along with this extraction operator to take in the user input. And like suppose we have a variable int a, and its value can be taken from user using the extraction operator and the variable value. So this way cin will take a value from the user or from standard input device, which is entered from standard input device. So using cout, we can print anything on output screen. Suppose I'm printing here a message for user enter a. So when it is getting printed on output screen, user may type a value for a, and that value is taken by cin as input and stored in a variable. So let's see how it happens in a Dev C++ IDE. So here I have opened Dev C++ IDE, where I'm going to write a C++ program. So here I have already created a file by name test1.cpp. So I will be starting here a simple C++ program where I'm going to add the IO stream first, because it contains cout and cin instances. Now using namespace std, I will be starting with the main function. Sorry. Now in the main function, I will be declaring a variable a. I will be asking the user to enter value for a. So the string I will be giving like enter a value. And after the printing of string, I want to move the cursor to new line, which I'll be doing using end L, which is end of line, which will move the cursor to new line. Now cin is used for taking in the input for a variable. Now again I can print cout a is and a value. Now this program will print enter a value, then it will move the cursor to new line, and then when the user enters a value, it will print a is a value now. So here you can give space, and here /n also you can use to start with a new line. Now if I compile it, you get 0 errors or warnings, and then when I run it, I will be getting a message enter a value. So I'm giving 25. A is 25 I got as the message, which is coming from here. So this is how we can make use of cin to take the user input. So in more detail, C out and C in we will be seeing in coming videos. So thank you for watching the video, and please do subscribe the channel for more updates on C++ topics, and also you will be finding other computer programming languages on this channel. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel.